Hi, everybody. It's Ms.Salazar, and welcome to Health Class. So, we are going to be talking about our bodies and everything that's inside of them. So, here you have a picture of the many different types of systems in your body, right? So, here we have our skull, the skeleton, this is the spine. Here we have the stomach, our mouth, our intestines. And then here we have our muscles. You see, these are muscles. We have our face muscles, and then we have our heart and our blood vessels. Blood vessels are veins, son las venas, right? This is all blood vessels, all of it. And then it is connected to the heart. And as you can see here, it goes all the way up to our faces and our head. And then we have our lungs, and then the mouth again, our nose, and then we have our brain and the nerves. These are all our nerves. And as you can see here, we have one, two, three, four, five, six. We have six different types of systems in our body, and everything is inside. Everything works differently, but they work as a team. So you're going to see the names of these different types of systems and how they work. So there you go. So our first system is the digestive system, and this is how it looks like, right? So this is where you're going to have your stomach and your intestines. This is the digestive system. And number 2 is the skeletal system. So it's basically your skeleton. You see a skeleton, and that's your skeletal system. The word has even skeletal, kind of sounds like skeleton, right? It has the word skeleton in that, skeletal. And then number 3, we have our muscular system. Muscular for muscle. You see? And you see all of this is all muscle, muscular. And then number 4, our circulatory system. And again, your circulatory system is basically your veins. And we have veins all around us from our hands. It goes all the way up to our shoulders. It goes to our heart. It connects to the heart, and then it goes all the way down to our legs and then up again to our faces. So this is the circulatory system. And remember, the circulatory system is just blood vessels, right? Your veins. And then we have our respiratory system. Our respiratory system is our lungs, as you can see here. And respiratory, it sounds like your breathing system, right? And that's exactly what it is. Respiratory system is your breathing system, right? And this is your lungs. And whenever you breathe, your lungs expand, and whenever you exhale the air is coming out of your mouth, the lungs are getting smaller and smaller. So this is your respiratory system, okay? Think of breathing. This is your breathing system. And then you have your nervous system, your nerves. Remember that when someone scares you, you start shaking. Those are called nerves, right? And you have them all around you, from your hands, your arms, your legs. And sometimes when you're scared, you feel like your legs are shaking. And then it goes all the way up to our brain. So this is your nervous system. Now, your system and what it means. So, your digestive system, which is your stomach and your intestine, it helps you eat. So, whenever you eat, everything you eat is going to come down to your digestive system, and it's going to help process that food. It doesn't just stay there, it's processing that food. And this is what it does, it helps you eat, right? And then you have your skeletal system, and basically, your skeleton helps protect the soft parts inside of you and gives your body shape. So inside of your body, you have some really soft, very delicate parts that need to be protected. Because if you don't protect it, it can get hurt and then it can start bleeding, and then that's going to be a huge problem for you. So, your skeletal system, it's kind of like a helmet for those really soft parts inside of you. So, your skeletal system serves like a helmet, and a helmet protects your head. So, the skeletal system protects those really soft parts inside of you, and it gives your body shape. And everybody's shape is different, you know? So just because I have a skeletal system, it doesn't mean that my skeletal system is going to be the same as yours. No, it's going to be different. Everybody has a different skeletal system because everybody has a different body shape. But everybody, in the sense, everybody has a skeleton. And then we have our muscular system. And again, the word muscular refers to the word muscle. This is your muscular system, and it helps your body move. It helps your body move around. Those are your muscles. When you're picking a book, you're using your muscles, right? Your strength, the strength that you have in your muscles. Now, here you have your circulatory system, and your circulatory system is your what? It's going to be your blood vessels, your veins, and you have veins all around you. So it helps move blood around your body, and your blood travels through those veins. And then we have our respiratory system. It helps you breathe. And then you have your nervous system. You see, your nervous system, it tells your body what to do. It tells your body what to do. This is your nervous system. So if you want to write, there you go. Your nervous system helps you along with your muscles. So everything is connected. Every system has its own function. Every system does something different, but they help each other out. And without one system, the other system is going to be affected, right? So it's important that everything works together, and every system helps the entire body. And you're going to see that we're going to be talking about each and one of these systems. And then you guys will have a quiz on this. But in the meantime, we're just going to focus on doing one system at a time. Now, this is your assessment, right? This is going to be page 24 in your workbook. And then all you would have to do is just match the different types of the systems with what it does. And I just explained what each system does, so you can go back and listen again. And parents, that's going to be it. Send the assessment to LMS and PDF. And yeah, that's about it. Bye, everybody.